Here are the top household and kitchen essentials you didn't know you needed. But once you have them, you'll never go back. First up, Mamison reusable dishwashing gloves. These waterproof, non-slip rubber gloves protect your hands from hot water, harsh soaps, and grease. They fit comfortably, give you a strong grip, and make dishwashing and cleaning way less annoying. Durable, reusable, and practical, your hands will thank you. If you stand at the sink or counter a lot, this anti-fatigue kitchen mat is a game changer. The cushion design reduces pressure on your feet, knees, and lower back, while the non-slip, waterproof surface stays put and cleans easily. Perfect for kitchens, laundry rooms, or standing desks. Comfort you'll feel instantly. Next, Wolfo silicone trivets for hot pots and pans. Heat resistant up to 446 degrees. These flexible mats protect your counters and tables from hot cookware. Use them as trivets, jar openers, spoon rests, or drying mats. Durable, easy to clean, and super versatile. One of those kitchen tools you'll use every day. This bamboo cutting and serving board from Lipper International is both functional and stylish. Made from durable bamboo with a beautiful two-tone finish, it's perfect for chopping, prepping, or serving snacks and appetizers. Lightweight, sturdy, and gentle on knives. It looks great on the counter and works even better. And finally, the KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer. This is the gold standard for home baking and cooking. The powerful motor handles everything from cookies to bread dough. The tilt-head design makes attachments easy, and the 5-cord bowl is perfect for everyday use. If you love cooking or baking, this mixer is absolutely worth it.